Good morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for education and learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners and before buying. Let's go to the prediction for Monday. The data is showing one bearish warning signal with all four indications are bullish. So what this is indicating that whoever watching our video, they will come to know whenever we get one bearish warning signal means the nifty initially the nifty might go down, and then after a low it start to recover towards to positive side, unexpected bullish. This is the normal trend whenever we get this kind of warning signal with one one warning signal. It is two or three that is different, but one warning signal means normally it fall down initially and then later recover start go bullish like anything. So must have to go with the hedging method today, because sometimes what happens is we think that it will sharp recover, but it will go even further downside also in 20% of the time. So 80% of the time it is happening on the reverse from the low towards the bullish, and 20% of the time it is going for the downside. But we have the downside pending targets also in hand weekly, but strong contest in between 17300 to 17600, so that evenly poised on the both direction. On the higher side little more up we have in 18,024, so that we need to play safe with the hedging method once again. And yesterday one downside target has closed 17,430 level 37, like that it has closed. I'll show you that. So we need to play on these scenarios very much carefully. This particular target has closed yesterday 17,437. So the remaining two on the downside, which is not much difference, 17,300 range and 17,624. These two targets will have a tough fight between those two. So that is the reason we are asking to go for a hedging method once again. And then if it is goes bullish, then it might go even 18,024 as well. But still, it has potential, because the next target after 17,300 range, which is 17,091. So it is clearly showing both side equally poised with the range with 18,024 to 17,091, and Nifty is on the center stage as well. This is previous day 24th, so that as per Monday data, the previous closing is 17,465.80. So that the strong contestant between 18,024 to 17,091. So which means evenly poised on both directions. So we need to play much more cautiously on these scenarios. And let's go to the support and resistance levels and volatile zones. We have a volatile zone 1, volatile level 1, which is around 0.96%, 167, 17,063.47. Anything above this level, Nifty will go towards to positive average range, which is in the bullish zone. But anything below the volatile 2, 0.24, 41.92 points, or below 17,507 range, below Nifty is in the bearish zone. Anything in between, it is in the volatile zone, but still we need to watch out the pivotal, how the pivot level is going to be react. If it is resisting on these levels, Nifty will fall once again. At the same time, volatile stop loss this particular level plus 10 points. If it is not breaking, Nifty will fall down heavily once again. This is the volatile stop loss plus 10 points from the particular level, and volatile stop loss this particular level minus 10 points, minus 10 point from this particular level. If Nifty is not breaking, then Nifty has a strong scenario to recover from there to positive average level. On the other hand, we have a 80% target in the positive side, 1.49%, 260.17,726. But the condition is pre-opening must have to be at least 1 point. If pre-opening is not in the positive, if pre-opening even in negative 1 point means the chances will become 50-50. So if pre-open is there in the positive means the chances will be 80-20. So 80% chances to go up and reach this particular. We have saw so many times only 20% of the time it fails. So we need to watch out how the pre-opening is going to be, whether it is going to be in the positive or whether it is going to be in the negative. And the other data which shows uh, par value is at 17,546. So if anything pre-opening below this level, Nifty will try to go towards the low around 453.17,021 range. So pre-opening we need to watch out as well how it is going to be. If pre-opening is above that level, then Nifty will try to go up towards the bullish 18,081 as well. So we need to watch out where the pre-opening is going to be as per this particular data, power value data. And then the other data which shows that anything in the negative Nifty is in the bearish zone. Anything above 17,557 around 91.51 above, then only bullish will take control until it will oscillate and it will give much more tension to us. So watch out those levels as well. So the conclusion is we have a tough time to trade on Monday once again. We need to play safe with the hedging method because the scenario is having equally poised as well with the data, but the strong contest between uh, 17,300 to 17,600 because both side targets still open, um, and Nifty is in the center stage around 17,465. So we need to play with a safe method once again with edging, but risk traders can take advantage on the call option side. Hero zero, one lot extra. Why? Because whenever we get warning signal, that time the 80% of the time out of 10, 8 days it is a recovering start towards to bullish. So one lot hero zero we can bet even if it is fails, it should not affect us like that. We need to bet on the call option side. So initially it will fall down, then later if it is recovers, that hero zero call option will give you good profit. But if it is goes wrong, it will go to zero or it will eat your premium. You should not worry about that. That kind of a hero zero you need to take. So as per the safe trade, hedging method is advisable equally 100 on the both side, likely to take, and it will help you to make some decent profit minimum of 1000 to 3000 rupees. If it is goes bizarre like bullish or bearish, it will give you enough profit more than that. So play safe with the hedging method. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Monday. Thank you. I forgot to show you the summary. The summary is nothing but four indications are bullish, one bearish warning signal. So whenever we get bearish warning signal, initially fall down, then later it's start to go unexpected bullish. So one uh, call option, you need to take it as a hero zero buy on dip method. Remember that, and we have 80% target is in the positive side around 1.49%, 17,726. So condition must have to pre-opening in the positive so that chances having 80-20 success ratio. If pre-opening is in the negative means the chance success ratio is 50-50. And we have two negative set target for weekly and two positive set target for weekly, and positive bit higher 1.50% 261 17,720, and negative is in the little lower side but still good numbers 0.78% 136 17,329 range. And other important point is the par value anything below pre-opening, I mean anything above pre-opening this particular level, Nifty will try to go towards 1881. Then anything below this pre-opening, then Nifty will try to go down 1712. So according to that, we need to take hero zero one lot in the call or put option, and we have 7 downside target overall and 4 positive side target. And CPR, once again, it is in the bearish, and we have flat CPR, kind of flat CPR once again. So flat CPR shows that it will go trending day, but irrespective of the side, even though it is showing bearish as per CPR, but still, whenever we get flat kind of CPR, what happens is it will go trending on the opposite direction also. So on note down, that is the reason we are also asking to go for a hedging method. So play safe. And today, I mean on Monday, we need to go with the hedging method. Why? Because we have one bearish warning signal with 4 bullish. So you need to take buy on dips 1 0 0 in the call option side. So this is the conclusion. Play safe. Let's have a wonderful day. Thank you. And I would like to show you why Friday data is fall down from this high 17,599 and gone toward to 17,421. Then it start to recover a bit. You can see we had on Friday data these indication, these have the strong resistance level. You can check, we have the rule of plus 10 point for the stop loss and minus 3 point for the perfect range. So you can see the high 17,000 to 99.75 is came inside the perfect range from this particular level. 17,602 came inside the perfect range and not broken the stop loss level. So we have strong three resistance so that Nifty fall down, and still the volatile stop loss is higher as well. So Nifty has fall down from that particular level, and then it start to go down towards 17,421. We had 17,429 from this level, minus 10 points. If you subtract, it gives you 17,004 and 19.82. So the stop loss is not broken from this particular level, so that Nifty started to recover somehow from that low towards to 17,465. It has gone up towards to 17,480 range, something like that. Then it has closed in the range of 17,465. So the rule we need to watch out is for all the numbers, any levels, if the high is matching with the stop loss of plus 10 points, minus 3 point perfect range, like the same lower side minus 10 points perfect range plus 3 points from any level, if it is matching, then you can bet keeping stop loss at particular level and go for a buy. If it is breaking, it will go to the next level, but if it is not breaking, definitely it will recover, or if it is not breaking the high, definitely it will fall down. So these are all the basic method we are following. It is happening every now and then. You can check every day in our data after seeing the video. After the market closing, you can check those numbers as well. Thank you. This is the point I would like to add on. Thank you.